guys, so for the first time in the Philippines, our vlog squad visits a castle.
This is a unique theme park destination here in Tanawan, Batangas.
And to survive the set of attractions inside and the games that we are about to challenge them with. It's your boy Ranska, and I'll be your game master for today. This is the last to leave the castle challenge. Yana is one of the players.
Ako host ngayon. I'm a player.
I think it's time to introduce our players for today. So,
Player!
players! Guys, ready na ba kayo pumasok sa castle? Ang mangyayari ay kailangan lang ninyong mag-survive and kayo ang matira na mag-isa. So we have a total of 50,000 pesos cash prize from J Castle. Guys, kitang-kita nyo naman ating cash prize. So, just try your best to win in every challenge. And we'll see you guys in the end. Once again, ready na ba kayo? Let's go inside.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Castle Farm.
Alright guys, so tapos na namin manood ng animation and now we were welcomed with a nice entrance. Okay, so ngayon pupunta tayo sa Astro Ball. So daan muna tayo dito as a welcome, you know. Alright guys, so ngayon papasok na tayo sa first challenge room. Ready na ba kayo? So dito sa room na to, merong ma-eliminate. So ewan ko na lang kung
Agad? Agad?
kasi ubusan to.
Kala na ako, ngayon pa lang.
Pasok tayo sa chill or thrill. Thrill or chill kasi nakikita nyo naman meron tayong rides dito sa harap natin. And now, isa-isa kayo pipili.
Thrill.
Thrill. Mag-isip-isip kayo ha. Chill. Mag-isip kayo. Chill. Chill. Thrill or chill? Thrill or chill? Chill. I go there. Thrill or chill? Thrill. Thrill. Yung mga thrill, punta dito. Yung mga chill, punta dito. Okay, Natalia, I'll give you a chance since you're still a kid and you're just a saling pusa. Go round and round and round and round and round. Okay, stop. Okay, now it's time for you to point to who do you wanna go. Ha? Mag-start tayo ng timer sabay-sabay. Yung mga chill, mapupunta kayo sa thrill. May chance kayo makaride. Yung mga nag-thrill, matitikman nyo yung thrill. Kasi mag-start na kayo ng challenge. Akala nyo carousel? Hindi. Ito kayo, fall in line kayo lahat dito. Lahat kayo dito sa wall. Habang nandiyan kayo, si Natalia magka-carousel. Panoorin nyo lang, okay? So, the challenge is called Balance on the Castle Wall. So, okay, pag nag-start yung carousel, magsa-squat kayo. On my count! 3, 2, 1, go! Timer starts now!
Lugi ako kay Melissa.
Okay guys, kitang-kita nyo naman, nag-enjoy sila doon. Samantalang sila nag-chill. Ibang chill to be. Babalik ba sa villa?
Basic lang to sa akin kasi ito yung training ko sa training.
Okay, so tapos na yung ride. Nagkaroon lang kayo ng chance para mag-ride niyan saglit. Okay, B-Boy, Pat, dito kayo. So si Pat and B-Boy nagkaroon ng lead ng 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Good luck.
Deck day pala ngayon, hindi nyo sinabi.
Okay, ngayon, tanggal ka rin.
Ayoko na.
Ay!
Tama na, mamauubusan kayo ng players.
Okay na! Master! Ay,
Ayoko na.
Basic? Yung sinabi workout pala to eh. Yung legs ko.
Warm up to. Ang hirap, grabe. Kahit sa hita, sobrang happy ako kasi bihira lang naman ang maka-join sa ganitong event. So, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako. Thank you!
Alright guys, so ngayon dadaan tayo sa Light Bridge papunta sa next challenge room natin. So, let's go! Pass through rin tayo ulit sa spaceship.
Uy! Punta tayo sa space, guys. Kapit kayo na, kapit na lahat. Ready na?
Ready!
2, 1, go!
Alright guys, so now our next room is called the Disco Era. Alright guys, so ngayon nandito tayo sa Disco Era. Kitang-kita nyo naman, disco yung vibes. More of like music, vibes, and sounds. Kumakanta ba kayo? Sumasayaw ba kayo?
Yes!
Nag-groove ba kayo?
Yes!
Babe.
First thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna pair ourselves into two. 3, 2, 1, pair yourselves into two! Okay. Pakita natin ang ating mga pairs.
Natalia.
And Justin.
Thea. Mikey. Yaya Eden. Niana.
B-Boy.
PR team, Lisa!
Alright guys, so next thing that we're gonna do is you guys are gonna pick from these papers, okay? So lang.
Check na tayo eh.
Alright guys, so naka-blindfold na kayo, wala kayong nakikita. Pag may nakikita kayo dyan at nalaman ko, disqualified ka agad kayo. Kaya make sure nyo lang na wala kayong nakikita,
Hindi
okay?
namin alam yung gagawin, kaya nag-strategize kami sa walang alam.
Elevate namin yung sound ng cake.
Gagamitin namin lahat ng senses namin.
Kutob-kutob na lang kami.
Ito, yeah, like nararamdaman mo ako. Oh, galon.
This challenge is called Blind Jungle Challenge. Nasa papel yung animal sound nyo, okay? Pag mula ngayon, bawal na kayo magsalita as a normal human being. The only way you guys can speak is through the animal na napili nyo sa papel, okay? Sample! Okay. Sample lang. Quiet. Quiet. Ang hindi nag-quiet, disqualified. So, ang mangyayari is lalayo kayo sa isa't isa and ang kailangan nyong gawin is hanapin nyo yung partner nyo in 5 minutes. Ang pinakahuling makahanap sa partner nila, yun ang eliminated this round. Another thing, meron tayong mga obstacle beings dito, okay? Bawal silang hampasin. Ito sila. Yan. Timer starts now! Alright! Okay ngayon, it's time. Tama ba yung partner na nakuha nyo? 2, 1, buksan nyo yung blindfold. Ang nauna ay si Mikey tsaka si Yaya. Ang sumunod ay si Justin tsaka si Amanda. Ang sumunod ay si B-Boy ni Yana. Ang punishment ng mga eliminated ay mag-slide sa napakahabang slide ditong dalawa. The last pair who found each other is... Meh.
Wala namang ganun.
Is...
So, panalo kayo!
Sana masaya mga kalaban namin. Alam naman namin ito yung gusto niya, di ba? Umpisa pa lang matanggal kami ni Melissa.
Medyo nahirapan kami kasi, alam mo na, paus na ako. Tapos, yung sa amin ang haba.
Tapos yung iba, yung iba, meow-meow lang, arp-arp lang, tweet-tweet lang.
Pero sinasabi na siya meow-meow.
Sa mga winners, yung sabi nyo, magbabalato kayo, tatandaan namin. Thank you, J. Castles.
Thank you. Yun yung pinakasad kong slide na naranasan.
Melissa and Neil are eliminated. Alright guys, so we have 7 players left. We're gonna enter the room of luck. So this is called the Ball Pit Hunt Challenge. Merong 6 cards sa ball pit na to. And tinago namin siya kanina randomly. Kita niyo to. Okay, and we have the last one. This is a wild card. Mamaya, explain ko kung ano to, pero this is a wild card. Yan ang wild card. And ngayon, what you guys need to do is hanapin yung cards. 6 cards, 7 kayo. Isa ang hindi makakahanap and yun ang eliminated. Meron kayo 5 minutes para maghanap. Timer starts now! Mikang, gata ka! Meron ng dalawa na ako ng cards, si Mikang at si B-Boy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yay! Timer's done. So, meron pang 4 na cards dyan. And ngayon, bibigyan ulit namin kayo ng chance. 5 minutes starts now! Alright, so say I got a card.
Guys, sobrang hirap. Sinisisid ko na talaga, ganun oh.
Medyo mahirap na hanapin yung iba, so magdadagdag tayo ng 2 cards. You guys have last 3 minutes to get this, okay? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! So Pat got the jack, Seiya got the queen, D-Boy got the queen, Mikey got the king, Yaya got the jack, Justin got the joker. So yung joker is a wild card. So meron kang choice. It's either kakalabanin mo ako ng bato-bato pick, you're gonna challenge me. And kung nanalo ka, pasok ka. Kung hindi, then out ka. Or, pipili ka ng isang babalik. So merong pros and cons yung choices mo. If you challenge me, may chance na ma-out ka na. Magaling ako sa bato-bato pick. Choice mo is magbalik ng isa, madadagdagan ka.
So, para fun, I challenge you. Nako po. Naniniwala ako sa destiny. So, let's do it.
Challenge! Challenge! Challenge!
Bato-bato
pick! May chance ka. Gusto mo ba magbalik o tuloy ka pa?
Tuloy, tuloy.
Wait lang. Game? Game.
Game.
Bato-bato pick! Naku! Naku po! Game? Bato! Pick!
Oh, tuloy-tuloy kasi na. Pati yung bago niyo. Tuloy ang laban.
Last na to.
Last na to. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Bato! Pick!
Tatanggal!
That's the destiny, guys. Masabi sa inyo eh. Kasi nga, I believe in destiny. So, kung natanggal sila, destiny na din talaga nila matanggal. Kung natalo ako sa bato-bato, big destiny na rin yun. So, guys, that's it. Dapat susuko na rin kasi talaga ako dito sa card kasi sobrang nakakapagod. Pero yun, nakuha ko yung card, wild card. Kala ko advance. Surprise! Thank you, guys! Woo!
The card game in the ball pit was really fun at first, but when you start doing it and digging in over there, nakakapagod siya. I feel like matatalo rin naman ako sa mga ibang games, kaya go na sila. I'm doing them a favor. Woo! Talo nga pero may 2,000! Thank you!
So Niana's eliminated, so she will now be my co-host. So right now, we're having a break from the challenges because we're all hungry. And now we're gonna go and eat dito sa Blue Burger, which is kung saan lahat kulay blue, pati yung pagkain.
Happy evening! Welcome to Blue Burger.
It's like a fast food restaurant, but it's all blue. For this challenge, we're gonna do the Speed Eating Challenge.
They have the Blue Burger Overload. Sabi ko sa inyo, Blue Burger eh.
So ready na ba kayo?
Ready na!
Go guys, kanyan!
In 3, 2, 1, go! Kaya style niya, parang ginagawa niyang ulam, ayan, B-boy, yung bun muna. Si Pat, talagang the normal way how you eat a burger. Si Mikang, with ketchup, gusto niyang lamlamin. Ayan, burger muna. Huwag ginagawa niyang burger yung burger niya. Alright! Stop! And we have a winner. By the way, dito sa round na to, wala akong sinabing elimination to. Wala akong nasabi, hindi naman kayo nakikinig eh, no? So si B-Boy, since nanalo siya, pwede siya magbalik ng isang player.
Destiny na ibalik mo ako.
Bibs, alam mo, close na close tayo. Hindi talaga ako ready ma-eliminate kanina eh.
Kung sino manalo, 5-15.
Ay, ikaw na bahala. Kasi alam mo naman yung mga deserve namin.
Guys, kasi ayoko mamili, ayoko may masaktan sa pipiliin ko. So, ngayon magro-roulette tayo na lang. Kung ito yung destiny talaga ng kung kanino man destiny,
Tama, yan ang destiny.
sa kanya mapupunta.
Destiny to.
Destiny
3,
yan.
2, 1. Destiny to. Kung sino mapili.
Destiny is calling me.
Parang ayaw mo ba? Parang ayaw. Let's go!
Melissa is back in the game. Alright guys, so now we are done eating and now it's time to go back into the challenges. Ganda dito guys.
Very cinematic here. I like
Sarap mag-music
Sa amin
video.
hanggang dito eh.
Okay yung baha dito, may pausok.
I'm good to swim. It's very nice.
Okay, now it's time to start up our challenge to eliminate some players from the castle. So guys, this challenge that we're gonna do is called the Sponge Relay. A sponge over here and a bucket. So what you guys need to do,
Is you have to fill this bucket up with the sponge.
the only way you can get water is from that fountain over there. And you guys have 2 minutes to fill this bucket up and kung sino yung pinaka-onte, yun ang matatanggal sa castle.
Eh, bakit tatlo lang?
Tatlo yung bucket kasi mag-prepare ulit kayo. The ball and line.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Interview natin, ano strategy nyo?
Basta kailangan may laman din yung kamay namin.
Di ba yung sponge? Mga ganyan. Siyempre may extra pa rin mga kumangga pag nakaganyan. Oh, chef! Move, move!
3, 2, 1, go!
Parang lumulusong talaga sila sa baha ngayon. One minute left! They did their best. So meron tayo ruler dito para malaman.
Ganyan talaga siya. I'll go up. Hindi, 42.
Alam mo na? Close to dalawa, close. Okay, now it's time to announce kung gaano karaming water ang nakuha nila.
Sino kaya ang nanalo?
Ang first na pinakamataas ay...
Group! 1! And the group number that I'm gonna mention right now will no longer be able to join the challenge and continue what we're gonna do pa. And that is group 3! Group 3.
Siguro kasi nabusog kami sa burger kaya hindi pa bumababa yung kinain namin. Tapos tumakbo kami agad. Pero it was a good experience, di ba?
Tama. Hindi, pero kay Yaya, alam namin na mananalo kasi parang master talaga ni Yaya yung pagpiga ng sponge talaga. Kaya, pero yung sa kanila, na 0.2 lang yung lamang ng meter. Feeling ko kasi sa sobrang takbo ko, ang laki ko, di ba? Na-splash ko yung water, napupunta, nakikita ko pumapasok sa bucket nila. Feeling ko, it's my fault na... Sorry, Mika. Sorry. Bawi tayo next challenge. Thank you, J. Castles, for the consolation prize. Thank you. And Reds and Niana also thank you.
Alright guys, and we are done with the challenge here. Now we have 4 players left and we're on to our last and final challenge. We are on the last round of the challenge and now it's time to do the steal or no steal. Alright guys, so in this game, there are 4 briefcases for the final 4 players. One of the briefcases contains the grand prize. And the others doesn't have anything. Alright guys, let's show them the briefcases. Every round, we will reshuffle the briefcases. Each player will pick 1 briefcase each. They will take a peek on their briefcase and then vote on who has the grand prize. If they pick the wrong player, that player will be eliminated. But if they pick the player with a grand prize briefcase, that's the end of the challenge. Alright, now, let's call on the players.
I'm happy I made it this far. I want to thank my mom and dad, first of all. And, back from the dead talaga ako eh. So I never really thought that I would make it this far. Pero congrats to all the players. I think I'm gonna win this one.
Ako nahirapan ako, pero hindi ko rin naman masabi na super hirap. Pero thankful ako sa mga naging partners ko. Si Pat, si Yaya. And of course, sa mama ko, thanks so much. Ma, kung nanonood ka man, nandito na ako ngayon.
Actually, di ko alam why ako nakaabot dito. I'm so nervous, but we made it to the final round, so tuloy lang. Competitive lahat ng players, so I just gotta have to keep up my game.
Medyo mahirap siya, pero dito ko rin na-experience na umabot ako sa mga pa-final. Deserve ko manalo kasi kahit pa paano, nag-effort din ako. At kung ipagkalob din ni Lord na ako manalo, thank you po.
Alright players, you may now choose your briefcase. Alright, now you may choose one.
Hindi ako na. Naiba ako.
Kay Niana na lang ako.
Kay Niana, kayo po.
Justin ako din.
Okay.
Ayaw mo ni-incident.
Alright guys, now na meron na kayong mga briefcases, so layo-layo tayo ng kaunti. So ngayon, you guys have the chance to look at your guys' briefcases in 3, 2, 1. Now that you guys have seen the briefcases, it's time for you guys to discuss kung natanino ang grand prize. I'll give you guys 5 minutes to discuss who you're gonna pick. 5 minutes starts now.
Ba yung ngiti ni Seiya?
Anong sa loob niya? Ano yan? Ba't di ka nag-answer? Wala. Tinatanong ko, anong wala? Walang laman? Ha? Wala sakit. Ano yung nasa loob? Papel. Ano yung nakalagay?
Oh, papel daw.
X lang? Medyo sketch. Ikaw, Melissa. Papel din. Sa inyo. Papel din. Yung may pencil pen. Ikaw yan. Promise. Papel din. Walang sulat. Walang sulat. Wala daw nakasulat. Meron.
Excited na ba kayo kung nakanin yung grand prize?
Vote ko si Yaya. Bakit? Yung grand prize nakasulat eh. Wala naman tayo may nakasulat.
You guys may decide.
Ex ako, promise. Tanggalin niyo na ako, ex ako.
Hindi naman ah. Ex din ang vote ko.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sino vote mo?
Saya. Feeling ko na kay Pat.
Ikaw, sino vote mo?
Si Saya.
Vote mo.
Melissa po.
Melissa. And the majority that we got is Seiya, so we will reveal Seiya's briefcase if it's the grand prize. If it's the grand prize, she gets the grand prize. And if it's not, then we will reshuffle everything. Okay, in 3, 2, 1.
Ulit yung ex
Ex.
na to eh. Okay lang. No regrets naman ako. And okay lang. Good game. Thank you.
Now, it's time for you guys to pick your guys' next briefcase.
Diba? Taya. Kanina.
Deal. Niana.
Okay, so we have 3 players left. Spread out. Okay, you may now look at your briefcase. Okay, now that you guys have seen your briefcases, I'll give you guys 3 minutes to discuss this time. You may now discuss whoever you guys want to vote out.
Okay, to make it easier, ako na lang.
Hindi yan. Nasa iyo yan.
Ako na lang.
Next yan. Next yan. Parang hindi ko yan.
Or ikaw.
Next time.
Ako. Ex din ako.
Oo tayo, ex dito.
One of us is lying.
Pag na-vote nyo yung grand prize, sa kanya na yung grand prize. Pag X na vote nyo, magre-reshuffle at matatanggal ng isa.
Nalilito yung utak. Sige, para may iba, nasa akin yung grand prize.
Go.
Sabi ko nga ako na lang.
Time's up.
I vote Melissa. Feeling ko lang. Medyo kinakabahan. Pat. Feel ko lang.
Okay, so ang pili-pili nila is isa-isa. So hindi pwede yun.
Ako na
Vote nyo
lang.
na
Yaya.
vote nyo na ako.
Ako na. Melissa ako na. Ex din ako. Ex din ako.
Hindi yan.
Ex to ex.
Ah, sige, go.
Still na tayo. Pat na ba? I'm voting for Melissa Grande.
Binoboto ko siya. Sure na kaya, mag-vote na ako. Vote na ako. Vote na ako! Vote na ako.
Casting my vote is Pat.
Pat, it's time for you to reveal the briefcase.
Good luck sa inyo, guys.
So, nabunot ng ating grand prize and the one that's getting the grand prize is Pat. So we invited the other players here to support since this is the last challenge and Pat got the grand prize. So congratulations, Pat. And Liana, ibigay mo na! So by the way, we stayed here in the vineyard Tanawan, Batangas while we were, doing those challenges. We just want to thank the vineyard Tanawan, Jay Castles, and sila Sir
James Ang and Clinton. I
Yes.
love staying here. It's our second time and I love the vibes, the swimming vibes, the food, all the staff are very kind and accommodating, so thank you so much.
Yeah, 5-star hospitality. Thank you so much, everyone. We had fun. Till next time for sure.